Hi there, in this video I'm going to introduce to you Excel Miner, which is the software we'll be using to do our data mining tasks in both your homework and in the project. Excel Miner is an add-in for Excel and Microsoft Office. You can download it and install it according to the instructions I provided you in Start Here. However, if you should run into any issues or if you have a Mac, please let me know, because there is a virtual machine option that you can use. So I wanted to show that to you today just to give you a sense of what it looks like. So the first thing I need to do is I need to sign in. So I'm going to go to hack.hatsize.com. Put in my username and password, which if you need one, you just need to email me and I can get you access to this. And then you're going to see that you have CIS 258 listed, and I'm going to go into Open Course. And then I'm going to click on Start Lab. It takes a couple minutes for it to load, but basically what it is, it's just a Windows machine. It has Office installed, and it has Excel Miner installed also as an add-on. What will happen sometimes when you install Excel Miner, if you run into an issue where it ends up being a ribbon in Excel, sometimes that ribbon will disappear. I've had that happen personally. Or it just stops working for some reason and gets buggy. There are some issues with it that I know of. So if you have that happen, unable to fix it, again, please let me know. I'm more than happy to give you access to this virtual machine. They'll give you a certain number of minutes in the beginning. It might be, I don't know, 3,000 or less. But if you run out of minutes, all you need to do is let me know, and I can have IT increase the number of minutes for you. But basically, it gives you a really stable environment to work on if you need to for Excel Miner. So we're entering into the lab view here, and it's just logging in. From here, the first thing I need to do is I'm going to go and download one of our homework files so I can bring it into Excel and show you what Excel Miner looks like. So I'm just going to log into my hack. And then I'm going to go to D2L. Scroll down until I get to my course. Go to content, and I'm going to go to week 3, which is where the first homework assignment is that actually uses Excel Miner. And homework assignment 2, you'll be doing a little bit with Excel Miner. You're not going to be using the algorithms yet, but you're going to be doing data visualization. So I'm going to click on the attached file here, which is your starting data file. And I'm going to open that up. Okay, you'll see here you just have a plain Excel data file. This is the data file that you'll be using for homework 2. And in subsequent videos, I'll show you how to create an Excel table to do some basic data visualization, just to part of the pre-processing stage of data mining. And then in a video after that, I'll show you how to do pivot charts and tables so that you can answer the first question of your homework. You'll also be doing box plots for this particular homework assignment. But you can see in the top here, I have Analytics Solver Platform. We don't typically use this, although you can play around with it if you'd like. We're going to be primarily using Excel Miner Platform. Most of it is going to be, you're going to be working in the data analysis where you're doing Explore, Transform, Clustering, and then over here in data mining, you've got classifying, predicting, association rules. There's a great help feature in here, so if you're ever lost on how to do something, just go into the help file. I also provided some videos online that give you some basic tutorials on Excel Miner. Fairly intuitive to use. I think if you're familiar with Excel, you'll be fairly comfortable with this particular product. It works very similar to Excel, but it has more powerful capabilities in terms of its ability to do analytics. So again, this is what the virtual machine looks like, environment. So if you would like access to this, please, again, just email me, let me know. I can get you a user login, usually within 1 business day after emailing our IT department. So again, next video, look for how to use Excel tables, and then the one after that, how to do pivot tables and charts for your homework assignment 2.